Yeah. Yeah. Hey, look back here. Can you remove your mask if you don't mind? Cool, that's all. Ready? 3, 2, 1, there.
Going to get married at the end of May, so
Just give me a call if you want.
yeah, I don't know. My wife is taking care of organization and everything about.
Yeah, about the wedding. So when are you gonna have the wedding? You here afford it?
No, in Wembley.
Have a good weekend, guys.
And I'll call you.
Cheers. YouTuber and a photographer.
YouTuber, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Anyway, you can add me up later on. Can I
Alright.
take a photo first?
Yeah.
Is that alright?
Yeah, you
Cool,
can,
cool,
yeah.
cool. How many subscribers do you have? If you don't mind me asking. 137,000. 137,000. So what's your content? Personal vlog like that. Cool. Nice. Ready? 3, 2, 1, yeah, just message me and I will send you the photos. Yeah, sure. And I will subscribe. You get another 1 subscriber from me. Oh, cool. Lovely. Thank you so much, guys. Cheers. Hello, mate. You alright? You alright? Cool. I'm a YouTuber and a photographer. I'm making YouTube videos like taking pictures of strangers. Is that alright? I like your bike. Can you stand there, please? Cool. Thank you. Stay there.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Cheers. Hello, sir. Cool. I really like your hair. Thank you, sir. Have a good weekend. Cheers. Cheers, mate. Kumusta? Ayos ah.
Asa sila, Yang?
Doon sa bahay, duty yun mamaya.
Si Baby.
Ay, kukumelon all the way.
Pasyal din namin ito eh.
Ayos, makapagpasyal din. Hello, babe! So lovely. Saan kayo punta?
Dito. Pauwi na.
Pauwi na. Nag-vlog ako eh.
Panoorin na.
Ano, picture ko kayo muna dito. Okay lang ba? Hindi naman to stranger. Sige.
Ingat ka.
Oh, kayo din. Hi. You're right.
Ano ba? Saan ka? Diretso ka ba dito?
Oh, nandun yung bike ko eh. Parang pauwi na din ako. Parang ganun.
Bye-bye. Kumusta
Okay,
mo
sige.
kami ha?
Sige.
Bye-bye.
Keep safe. Thank you. Bye.
not my day. So
Okay, that's fine, that's fine. Have a good day. Thank you. I got one rejection. Hello. You alright, guys? I'm a photographer and a YouTuber. If you don't mind, can I take pictures of you? I'm taking. Ah, okay. Is it alright with you?
It's me.
Oh, cool. Have a good weekend, guys. Just gonna take pictures here. By the way, I'm a YouTuber and a photographer.
Is it?
Yeah.
I like your cameras though.
Cool, cool.
How do I get, can I give you my details? So that,
Wait, I got page YouTube and my Facebook. You can check me out.
I could have, if I wanted to take him out, I've done it. But I could have done it.
Can you remove your mask so that you can look?
Nah, that sounds a bit suspect. No, I ain't removing nothing now. Now I'm going to get on the defensive. This is Sparta.
I'm gonna take a smoke.
Alright.
You can put him on what channel?
YouTube channel. Is YouTube,
About you,
YouTube
mate.
channel? Oh, touch it, yeah. Yeah.
Don't go beyond there, man.
There's a like that. Oh yeah? Social media account.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna take a picture of that.
Cool.
Yeah?
And
Can you send them to me,
Yeah,
yeah?
yeah, sure.
Come on, Bob. I'm gonna get a video shoot done. I'm a rapper. Hey, turn me back over, okay? Right. Perfect. Like that one. My teeth look.
How about you, mate? That one. Cool.
Yeah, go on.
You look like you got stuff.
Oh,
Gangster, Watford, mate.
yeah, general. Watford general. That's why we need them. Ironman. Yeah. I like that one. That's the damn.
You're holding your face like. Just stay right there. Just stay right there.
He's photographer. Yeah, he's photographer. He's proper. Yeah, get the beer out of the way. No ice. It's inshallah. God bless you, akhi.
God bless you too. Shukran. Hey, excuse me, guys. Can I take a photo? If you don't mind. Cool. I always like to be, what you call that? Skater boy? Like that? Sorry for waiting.